In this video, we will learn how to add users in a Linux environment. We will cover command like user add to add users. We will also explore setting up passwords for users and checking user details in a files. Let's get started. To begin, let's open up the terminal and log in as a root user or user with a sudo privileges. Currently, I am logged in as a root user. You can check your user detail by using command like who am I. So I will use here who am I, and here you can see I am currently logged in as a root user. Use Ctrl L to clear the screen. The first command we will explore is user add. Let's see how it works. Enter user add and user1. By typing user add followed by the desired username, we can create a new user. Replace user1 with the name you prefer. The command executed successfully means the user1 has been added into the system. Now let's set a password for the user. So use command passwd and user1. With the passwd command followed by the username, we can set a password for the user. You will be prompted to enter and confirm the password. So I am entering password as a 12345 and again retype the password. Now you can see all authentication tokens updated successfully. Means password has been changed for this user1. Let's verify if the user was created. So use command id and user1. You can see the user's information is available here like user id, group the user belongs to. Clear the screen by using Ctrl L. Let's explore how to check user details in a files. Linux maintains user-related information in files located in /etc directory. So use command like cat /etc/passwd pipe operator, then grep for the username. So our username is user1. By using the cat command to read the contents of the /etc/passwd file and piping it to the grep with the username, we can filter and display the user's details from the file. This includes the username, user ID, group ID, home directory, and more. Apart from passwd, if you want to check the password for the user, which will be in encrypted format, then you can display it from the shadow file. So the location of the shadow file is like /etc/shadow. Now use similar command as before, like cat /etc/shadow pipe grep user1. Here you can see the username, the encrypted password. Our user's password is 12345. It is in encrypted format, and other details for this user. That's it for this tutorial on adding users in Linux environment. We covered the user add command, setting up password for users, and checking user details in files. Practice these commands to become proficient in managing users in Linux.